you'll learn how to connect to both Ethernet and a tethered Android device at the same time on your Windows PC. If your PC has a built-in Ethernet port, use an Ethernet cable to connect it to your router or modem. Otherwise, you can use a USB to Ethernet adapter or even a USB hub with a port. When it comes to tethering, some mobile carriers limit or charge extra. So, review your plan or check with your carrier before using a tethered connection. Connect your Android to your PC using a USB cable. A notification will show at the top of the screen on your Android device. Swipe down from the top, touch and hold Hotspot, and then turn on USB tethering. Alternatively, you can go to Settings, then Mobile Hotspot, and Tethering to enable USB tethering. Now, in order to verify that your tethered connection is active, click on the computer or Wi-Fi icon in the lower right area of the taskbar. Tethered devices will be recognized and treated like wired Ethernet connections. You should see a wired connection with the name network and then a number, which should now be connected. That will be your tethered Android phone. Now, one important note. When you USB tether an Android phone to a Windows PC, the phone shares its active internet connection, which means if Wi-Fi is on and connected, it will share Wi-Fi, not cellular. So, in order to force it to share the mobile data connection, turn off Wi-Fi on the phone. Last but not least, if you haven't already, download and install Speedify from our site at speedify.com. Once running, Speedify will automatically detect all internet connections available to your device, including Wi-Fi, cellular, Ethernet, and satellite, and begin combining them for increased stability, speed, and security. If you want more control, Speedify also contains tools like priorities and rate limits to let you customize how and when your connections get used. Now, sometimes your available internet connections simply aren't fast or reliable enough for the task at hand, even when bonded together. What then? Well, Speedify has a powerful answer for that too. It's a feature called Pair and Share. With Pair and Share, you can easily share 4G and 5G cellular connections back and forth between multiple Speedify users on the same local network, securely, wirelessly, and automatically. The more people you pair with, the stronger and more resilient your internet becomes. And since it's part of Speedify's core architecture, it works cross-platform across all supported operating systems, including iOS, Android, Mac, Windows, and Linux, as well as OpenWrt and powered by Speedify routers. With Speedify, you're no longer limited to a single connection. You get extra speed, more bandwidth, and fewer interruptions for everything you do online. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe for more internet tips and tricks.